Right, so we're out and about again. We're in the central Siracha Central Shopping Centre in Siracha. Place is absolutely massive, loads of floors. So we'll check it out, see what's going on. Want to find a food court, if they've got one. Now we have a big shopping centre here, look.
Seven it here don't have but one order have.
Okay. Right. So here we've got a kiddies play area. Then we've got a big shopping centre and they always have food courts in them. So here we are in the food court. And here we are in the supermarket. So what are we doing first? Food. Let's eat then. Have a look for what?
Have a look how much same lotus or not.
See, Amanda's got me there because she says see if it's the same price as Lotus. I don't know what the price of Lotus was. I'll just take a look and forget. So I'm going to look for something to eat. So, just like her, she's run off now. No clue where. Found her. Yeah, so lots of different foods. One of the bigger shopping centres I've been to. We'll have to put some money on the card somewhere before we order. We pay, where we pay? Here, look.
Scan and coupon, no problem.
Okay, so we pay there, yeah? How much you need? One, two. So Amanda's got 200 baht. Don't know, probably worth about a fiver. Work it out yourselves. Goes to this lady here, where we get a credit card with the money on. And we can go to any of these counters, order the food. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not sure what I want yet. I'll take a little walk round. Amanda, I'll have a look. See what I want. She'll just go and order stuff and I'll just sit down and it turns up. But today I've decided I want to choose myself. Yes, I'll see. Everything priced up. Pasta house. Beef bolognese. Another spaghetti bolognese. I reckon I might have a pork bolognese. Oh, burgers. No, I'll have a spaghetti bolognese, that'll do me. If I can find the man there. So the cab. Don't know where she's gone. No, lost that. You've got cold drinks there if you want cold drinks. So yeah, not a clue where she's gone. But I'll hang about for her and then order some food. Okay, so Amanda's gone for, is that pork or beef? Huh? And the meat is pork. And then a bit of salad and beans. 59. 69 baht. So, yeah, about 150. My spaghetti, same again, 70, so nearly £2, something like that. £2. So, bon appetit. Here we go again. Just another little look. That's where I got it from, over there. Okay, so that's what's left of my spaghetti. Quite enjoyed it. Amanda's got lots of bows to feed dog. But lots of noodle as well. Okay, so that meal for two of us with a bottle of water came to 160 baht, which I think is about £4, something like that. Not far off that. So yeah, very good. So we're going to have a little look around the shopping centre. So there we go, look at that.